Getting the iMessage is signed out error. In this video, I'll show you the quickest and easiest fixes to get iMessage working again.
Go to Settings, Apps, Messages. Turn iMessage off, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on. Allow several minutes for activation.